In this video, we're going to discuss the Property Analytics Map Layers category. Using these layers, you can quickly understand the makeup of neighborhoods by different property types. The Living Area layer allows you to see what the home sizes are throughout the region. Next, you can view bedroom counts and bathroom counts. With our Lot Size layer, you can quickly understand the lay of the land in any specific neighborhood or selected area. The Lot Slope layer shows you an average lot slope percentage. This is very helpful when you want to understand the slope of the lot without the need to visit the property. The Lot Usable Space layer allows you to see how much of the lot is still usable for any potential additions, pool or auxiliary buildings. The Garage layer shows you the number of parking spots in the garage or carport on the property. The Pool layer helps identify which homes have pools and which do not. This is helpful to see if a pool is common within an area. Please note that there are more layers in this category and you can scroll down to see them. The Stories layer shows you the number of stories a property has. This helps to understand what the typical number of stories per home is in any given neighborhood. The Age layer shows the age of homes from when it was originally built. Not only does it become possible to see how cities and counties were developed over time, but also when neighborhoods and subdivisions were created. It's also very helpful to see which older neighborhoods are being improved with new construction homes being built within them. The Property Type layer allows you to quickly identify different property types in any area. Quickly identify pockets of single-family homes, condos, townhouses, and undeveloped land. The HOA Fee layer visualizes the monthly homeowner association dues. The data for this fee is typically only available at the time of sale, so keep in mind that you may see some fluctuations in the amount because of increasing dues over time. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.